How to find smart cache notification settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find smart cache notification settings on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon in the top corner, and then click here, data and storage. And as you see here, you will find notifications on smart cache, and here you can manage any notification you want. Just manage it and then go back, it will be saved. And as you see, that's how to find the smart cache notification settings. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.